So we have this site and we already installed the theme, right? So now we need to change this configuration, hugo.toml to YAML file. I'm going to use YAML format. So let's open Visual Studio Code and then open this folder, and from there we can easily modify it. So I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, and here I see the Visual Studio Code is there. So I'm going to open file, new window. So it will open a new window, and here actually I can modify everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag that folder, or we can access this folder from here also. So we can press this open button or link, or we can go file, then we can go open folder, and now we have to access where is the like our Hugo website is there. So it's inside the downloads folder, right? So I'm going to click downloads, and here I see uh, this one is the website, right? FewSteps. So you have to press the open button now, and very shortly it will open like this, and Visual Studio give us this type of warning like uh, this, do you trust these authors of the files in the folder? We have to press this button, yes, I trust the authors, so that it will be open like this. Now here we see that this is the hugo.toml file. We just need to modify this thing. So what I am going to do, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to choose this thing which is called rename, and I'm going to remove the last part, and instead of that I'm going to type YAML, and once we uh, type YAML, then we can hit the return key to rename this file, and it will be looking like this thing. And now if we try to run it, you will get a lot of error. So what I'm going to do, we need to convert it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this equal sign to colon, because this is the YAML formatted file, YAML. So for YAML we have this thing keyword like dictionary thing, dictionary key and value, like this way, and this thing also the title like this. So in this way we can create the YAML file, so there will be no error. And here instead of this single quote, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change everything by double quote. I'm going to select only one quote, and then I'm going to press Ctrl F key, and it will be fine. Then I'm going to expand it, and I'm going to replace with double quote, right this, and I'm going to press this button, and everything will be replaced, and it will be looking like this. And then finally we need to save it. If we don't save, it will be a dot like thing, and if we press Ctrl S key, not Control, Command S key, then it will be saved, and it will be looking like this. And that's it. In this way we can configure Hugo.toml file. And now after completing this thing, we need to add some configuration. So I'm going to jump to the PaperMod theme. So this is a documentation of installation of this PaperMod theme. So if we scroll down we little bit, we see different things are there. So here it's a big configuration file, so you need to use whatever you need. If you don't need anything, you don't need to copy. So I'm for my case I copied couple of things like base URI, title, theme. These three things I added probably. Let me double check, or let me copy this part only. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to jump to this Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to paste it temporarily. And here I see base URL, this thing, title, some title is there, this thing, and theme is there. So we need to add the theme, otherwise we cannot run this website. Basically we need to configure this like this way. So language code, this thing, title is this thing. So here basically we can remove this three part, and we just need to add this thing to configure this theme, PaperMod. And here we see inside the theme there is PaperMod, and this name should exactly be same like this. If it is not same, or is and on the top root directory, then it will not work. So remember it, always it will be exactly same, and the theme folder, inside theme folder, it will be like this. So here we can change something, my new Hugo site, or we can change it to a good title like FewSteps site. I'm just typing a demo title like this. So now once we are done, then we can close this thing. We can press Command S key together, it will be saved, and then I'm going to close it. So now our configuration file is also done. Now we can go for the next step to create some pages. So I'm going to close this thing, this right side, and next video we'll see how we can create some pages inside it.